Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Casio Edifice watches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Casio Edifice Men's Quartz Watch, EFV 620D, 1A4V. This watch stands out with its sporty and fashionable design, inspired by the world of motorsports. The black bezel paired with a sleek stainless steel strap creates a bold yet versatile look suitable for both casual outings and semi-formal events. The chronograph functionality adds a layer of utility, making it perfect for timing activities or tracking laps. In terms of build quality, the EFV 620D 1A4V features a robust stainless steel case and band, offering durability and a premium feel. The mineral glass dial window provides decent scratch resistance, and the watch is water resistant up to 100 meters, so it can handle a swim or a day at the beach. The 50.5mm case diameter gives it a large, commanding presence on the wrist, making it ideal for those who prefer statement pieces. While this model delivers excellent style and functionality, it's important to note that its larger size may not be suitable for smaller wrists, and it lacks a sapphire crystal, which some competitors in this price range offer. Still, for $98.99, you're getting a high-quality chronograph with a sporty edge that's perfect for motorsport enthusiasts or anyone looking for a bold timepiece. Coming in at number 4 is the Casio Men's Quartz Sport Watch EFV 620D 1A2V. This watch is a testament to Casio's commitment to blending innovation with practicality. Featuring a silver-toned stainless steel strap and a black dial, this watch exudes a refined yet sporty aesthetic. Its standout feature is the chronograph functionality, which is ideal for timing tasks, workouts, or even cooking. The build quality here is impressive, with a sturdy stainless steel case and a mineral glass dial window for scratch resistance. The 5cm case diameter gives it a substantial wrist presence without feeling overly bulky. Water resistance up to 100 meters ensures it can withstand splashes, rain, and even some recreational swimming, making it versatile for everyday wear. The one-touch, three-fold clasp is secure and easy to use, enhancing the overall user experience. On the downside, the watch's design, while sleek, may feel a bit too understated for those who prefer bolder styles. Additionally, at $99.99, it's slightly more expensive than similarly featured models. However, the EFV 620D 1A2V's combination of sporty elegance and reliable performance makes it a solid choice for anyone seeking a versatile watch with chronographic capabilities. At number 3, we have the Edifice Men's Quartz Date Indicator Watch EFB 108D 1AV. This model is a standout in the lineup thanks to its sapphire crystal, which provides exceptional scratch resistance. The watch's design leans towards simplicity and elegance, with a clean black dial and silver-toned stainless steel strap. It's a perfect choice for those who prefer a minimalist yet refined aesthetic. The build quality of the EFB 108D 1AV is top-notch. The stainless steel case and band feels sturdy and premium, and the double-locking fold-over clasp ensures a secure fit. One of the thinnest watches on this list, with an 8mm case thickness, it sits comfortably on the wrist and easily slides under shirt cuffs, making it ideal for office wear. It's also water-resistant up to 100 meters, so it can handle daily splashes and light swimming. However, the lack of a chronograph feature might be a deal-breaker for some, especially at a price point of $93.24. But if you're seeking a durable, everyday watch with a premium sapphire crystal, the EFB 108D 1AV is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 2 is the EF 106D 2AV Casio 100M water-resistant watch, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $35.75. Don't let the low price fool you. This watch packs a punch with its classic design and reliable performance. The rich blue dial, silver-toned stainless steel band, and bold Arabic numerals create a timeless look perfect for daily wear. The EF1060 2AV is built to last, featuring a sturdy stainless steel case, a durable mineral crystal dial window, and water resistance up to 100 meters. A standout feature here is the 10-year battery life, a rarity in this price range and a testament to Casio's engineering prowess. The fold-over clasp ensures a comfortable fit, and the lightweight design makes it a great option for extended wear. While it lacks advanced features like a chronograph or sapphire crystal, the EF1060 2AV delivers exceptional value for its price. It's ideal for those seeking an affordable, reliable watch with a classic aesthetic. If you're on a tight budget but still want a quality timepiece, this is the one to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Edifice Chronograph Date Indicator Watch EFV650D. As the premium option on this list, priced at $110, this watch delivers on both style and substance. The EFV650D combines a sleek stainless steel design with a black dial and chronograph functionality, making it a versatile choice for both formal and casual settings. The build quality is outstanding, with a stainless steel case and band that feel solid and luxurious. The 43.5mm case diameter is a sweet spot for most wrists, balancing presence with comfort. The mineral glass dial provides reliable scratch resistance, while the 100-meter water resistance ensures durability for everyday use. The chronograph feature is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, adding a sporty edge to its overall design. The only downside is the slightly higher price point, but considering the premium features and build quality, it's a worthwhile investment. The EFV650D is perfect for those who want a sophisticated timepiece with added functionality and a touch of luxury. If you're looking for the best that Casio Edifice has to offer, this is the watch for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.